Have you ever had a stressful day? Well, I've had a couple of stressful days, but today has been so different. A lot of things are not working out correctly. I have so many projects that I need to finish. But also, ever been in that state of mind where you feel like things are not going the way you want them to? Yes? You're pretty much not meeting your goals, and everything is just not working out right. So your mind is blocked because you're trying to work, you're trying to think straight, but you can't. Well, I'm literally in that state of mind. So I decided for me to literally get this block out of my head, I needed to relax. And how do I do that? Let me show you. Finally here, and this is how I'd like to spend my afternoon because I need to relax, I need to be sane. By the way, a lot has been happening over the week, so we're here at the spa at Sovereign Hotel. Well, today I just wanted to have something, I want to feel relaxed. So I'm going for a massage and I also want a body scrub.
Yes.
I normally just do like a facial scrub. So today I want to do like a full body scrub.
Yes.
And then also going to opt for a facial. Okay? Body scrub is done. I feel like, wow, it's actually soft. So I'm going to take a bath and then come back for a massage.
2,000 years later.
We have the essential oils. The oil is plain. It's coconut oil without any essential oils. So I don't know which one. We have lavender, rosemary, eucalyptus, orange, peppermint. The number?
I think I'll use lavender.
Okay.
Yes.